We all know quality and safety are paramount when it comes to converted vehicles. Tell us a bit about how AGI go about ensuring this.
Look, quality and safety are absolutely paramount when converting a vehicle from left-hand drive to right-hand drive. We're not talking about, putting an accessory on a vehicle. We are talking about major open heart surgery on a vehicle. So I look at it from a few different dimensions. First of all, let's take the analogy of open heart surgery. If you're going to do it, you want the best. You want a surgeon that's actually qualified and done the operation a few hundred or a few thousand times. So that's one perspective. I think another way that it manifests is where our vehicles go to. So we talk about our vehicles being ISO 9001 2015 compliant. They're fully homologated for our international markets, and they're also ADR compliant. Now, ADR is the Australian Design Rules, which are a set of rules that all vehicles must pass to enable them to be able to be imported into Australia. Now, you might say, well, hang on, why is ADR and ISO, why are these things important to me? I live in a country where they don't necessarily need to have those boxes ticked. Why that's important is that it ensures that all the vehicles that we manufacture are manufactured to an incredibly high standard. So, and it's not easy. So there are very few left-hand drive to right-hand drive conversion companies in the world. There are even fewer that is able to convert the vehicle overseas. In our case, we convert them in Sri Lanka and then import them into Australia. And that comes down to the 25 people who work across our quality and our safety team. So our ISO team, our quality control team, our documentation team. So it is absolutely at the heart of what we do. And again, do we need 20 or 30 people working in quality and safety? Yeah, absolutely we do. And it really does highlight the difference. And one of them, a lot of conversion is superficial. You look at the dashboard and yes, that looks good. The steering wheel's over there. It used to be over there. Great. But it is the case of what you don't see. And I guess the thing that you have with a vehicle that Autogroup has converted is that you know that it complies to the toughest standards in the world. If we can convert our vehicles that they're able to go into Australia legally, safely, be registered, be insured, all of those sorts of things, then honestly, that's the vehicle that you want in any country that you happen to be in. And the reason that you want that absolute guaranteed level of quality and safety is because, again, I come back to the point, your family is in a vehicle. You are traveling at 100 kilometers an hour. Maybe if you've got it a muscle car, you're going even faster, but safety is critical. It is not the thing that you do in your backyard. Not with modern vehicles, not with the technology that sits within the vehicles. You need to make sure that you are doing everything properly, thoroughly, and to an incredibly high level, which is why, our vehicles are shipped into Australia, incredibly tough. Into the UK, incredibly tough. South Africa, incredibly tough. It's because of those safety and quality standards that we adhere to. Now, we don't necessarily need those into some of the other geographies that our vehicles move to, but I know for an absolute fact that our customers love, the reassurance, the fact that the vehicle is actually safe, that it's not been, dodgy brother engineered or put together with a piece of string. Or, we've seen organisations out there buying spare parts from car wrecking yards. It's crazy. So for me, quality and safety is the absolute foundation of what we do, and indeed what we've always done.